Hey guys, this is a tutorial on Disturbed's cover of Land of Confusion, which was originally a Genesis song. Disturbed usually tunes down kind of low, but I did find a version of someone playing this in standard tuning, so I based this on that. And there's some tricks to kind of make it sound lower and more growly that I'll show you along the way. But the main verse starts here at the 4th fret on the low E string, and it's based on kind of arpeggiating a power chord. A power chord is normally something like this. That's 4, 6, 6. Now watch how that's broken up to play this riff. 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4. That's E string, A string, E string, D string, E string, A string. Back to E. Okay, and then after that it gets into the verse, and this is where we start using some tricks to make things sound lower tunes than they really are. Instead of just playing this power chord, starting from the A string, 4, then 6 and 6, we go like this. We use the index finger to add 4 on the E string. Okay, so I'm actually barring with the index finger. So now, instead of just 4, 6, 6, this is 4, 4, 6, 6. Adding a bunch of palm muting there. So I slid from here, 4 4 6 6 to 6 6 8 8. Then up here on the A string, 9 11 11 is going to slide to 11 13 13. And then drop all the way back to the E string at 4. And then the next two strings, 6, 6. Okay, back to this form where we bar with the index finger. So it's 2, 2, 4, 4. That's sliding to 4, 4, 6, 6. So. And then the original slide. Okay, so here's the whole verse. One time through. It goes a couple times through usually. So here's one time through. And then it goes through again. And then we get, I guess, what would be like the pre-chorus. And then that goes again. So it's using the same two chords we started the verse with, but we're, instead of all this palm muting and stuff, we're holding them out for longer. The 4 4 6 6 to 6 6 8 8. And then 2 4 4 to 4 6 6. Back to 4 4 6 6. 2 4 4. And then here's a change. 4 4 6 6. So that's. And again. Goes through that again. And then I guess you get what would be the chorus. So that's a regular power chord on the A string, starting at the A string, 6 and 8. Then using the pinky to hit 9 on the D string. There's a little hesitation there. And then you slide down a whole step to 4 and 6. And then you're going to invert that shape. Instead of 1 and 3, you're going to invert your fingers so that it's finger 3 on top, finger 1 on the bottom. So it's now actually 6 and 4 instead of 4 and 6. Okay? And then into this shape, middle finger on top at 4, index finger at 3. Okay, so let me play that slowly for you. Goes back to that. There's a tricky section in the middle of this song that goes like this. Okay, so let's examine that. Starting on the A string at the 3rd fret, and you're going to want to roll the index finger 3, 3, and then slide to 5, 5 on the D. Going back to the A string, 6, 8, 5 on the D. Back to the A string, 5, 6, 5 on the D, back to the A string, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 5, 6 on the E. Next time, 3, 3, 5, 4, I'm sorry, 6, 8, 5, 5, 6, 5, 5, 6, 8, 3, 5, 6, 8. So you see how that time, the second time was slightly different than the first time. Then we repeat the first time. 3, 3, 5, 6, 8, 5, 5, 6, 5, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 5, 8, and then we do this, our barring power chord I've been talking about. So that's going to be 6, 6, 8, 5, 5, 7, 3, 3, 5, and then a regular power chord, E string at 1, 3, and you can do 3 on the D string as well. Okay, so here's that whole thing. Going to go again. I'll play it a little faster. Oh, sorry. and then go to here and hold out at 4 and 6, starting at the E string. And then the solo section starts. We're just going to cover the rhythm parts for the moment. We're going to go to 2 on the A string, 4 on the D string. That's the riff. So it starts with this 2-4 power chord, and then it goes to a 2-3 using the A string, D string. So I went from first finger, ring finger, to first finger, middle finger. And halfway through that measure, it switches to this, our 4-4-6 power chord. That holds out, and then it goes back to the verse. Screwed up the rhythm there, but that's the idea. That is everything for the moment. That's just to kind of get things started.